there, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Damari, and this is part 2 of my staycation in Empolos Hotel, starting with my morning view. I was expecting it to be better, but the weather is really cloudy. You can't really see everything clearly, but it's better than nothing. So before we start this video, I hope you have subscribed to my channel and make sure you share my video with your friends. The first thing you come across is the reception, which is on the ground floor, and after the reception we have a cafe. It's called Cafe Turmeric, and they really make nice coffee, and they also sell nice buy things like cakes. So if you want to come to Empolos and just use the cafe, it's open and you can do their coffee instead of going to Java or a coffee house. Still on the ground floor, we have washrooms to the left, and to the right there's a little lounge where you can sit as you wait for directions. And also we have the Walnut Bar. So Walnut Bar is just a little space where you can go and order your drinks. So you can take your drinks there, or to the rooftop, or to your room. Like this is, it's just a small space where they sell alcohol. So next we have the Bamboo Restaurant. Bamboo Restaurant is on the first floor, and it's a really nice space where you can go and get your meals, and the meals are really affordable and they are also very delicious. So this is where I took my breakfast, and it was really amazing. Their service is top notch. I can't complain. Still on the first floor, we have the Mahogany Boardroom and the Eucalyptus Hall. So in case you are coming to Empolos and you want to have your meetings at a quiet and serene environment, be sure that they'll give you the best here at the Mahogany Boardroom. So the furniture are not really mahogany. Mahogany is just a name that they chose for their boardroom, and the lighting is really amazing, and it's really serene, quiet, and you are sure that no one is going to disturb you there. I was not able to go to the Eucalyptus Hall because there was something which was going on there, so we'll just have a view of the Mahogany Hall. So next we're going to do room tours, and the rooms are between the 2nd and the 6th floor. So this room is a standard paraplegic room. So paraplegic meaning it's meant for people who are physically handicapped. So don't be worried in case you are physically challenged or anything. This room is specially made for those people. The bathroom and the toilets are nicely fitted with places where you can support yourself, so you're sure that if you are at Empolos Hotel, they are taking good care of you. Then you have the normal standard room, which, as the name suggests, is just a standard room meant for one person who is traveling like that. So it's not really that big, it's just a small space. But for this one, it's spacious. You have a study table, have a mini fridge. So as much as it's a normal standard, I feel like it's spacious. Next is the deluxe room. Deluxe room is bigger than the normal standard room. Its bed is bigger and also it's more spacious. It can accommodate up to 2 people, and because it's bigger, it also means that its price is a little bit higher than the normal standard room. Finally, we have the family room. Family room is comprised of a deluxe and a normal standard, which is double. Like the beds are 2, so the parents can stay on the deluxe side and the children can stay on this other side, where we have 2 standard beds. So the best thing about this family room is that it has a joint door, so you can lock this door. This door goes outside. I'm going to show you. You can lock that door and the kids can only use the door which goes through the deluxe room. So it's really safe and you don't have to get worried about your kids. They also have a rooftop, which is mostly used for events like baby showers, birthday parties, or proposals. So as you can see, there was a birthday which was being arranged, so that's why I didn't take so much of the video, but their rates are really affordable if you are interested in having a party at Empolos. Finally, to the best part of my staycation was definitely this massage seat. So it's complimentary for all in-house guests. You get 10 minutes complimentary, but if you want more, you pay 200 shillings for 10 minutes. So in case you're a guest and you've slept at Empolos Hotel, you can ask for the complimentary massage seat and they'll give you the best 10 minutes of your life. So I don't know if right now they are still giving the complimentary massage seat, because it has really been a while since I was there. But in case you go there, you just ask them if the massage seat is still complimentary or you'll pay. So make sure you try this seat, you will enjoy. So that's it for my staycation. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Make sure you subscribe, like, share with your friends, and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Bye bye and have a great week.
found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let